Alright, today's video, multi-topic video today. Picked up an O2 Cool battery or electric operated fan. It seems like every van dweller has this thing. I'm not a van dweller, but I do enjoy watching van dwelling videos to get ideas for my own van. And it seems like everyone has this thing. This and this 12-volt fan from the auto part department. I've had this thing for like 5 years, still works. The on-off switch actually broke, so I just rigged it up like this, and it still works. There's just no on-off switch. I just have to plug it in to turn it on. But I'm going to make the Redneck AC today. One of my best investments for this van has been my Mighty Cool units, Mighty Cool K2, Mighty Cool MK4. A lot of people in the comments tell me that I don't need this, and all I need is a Redneck AC. It'll do the same thing that these things do. So you know what? I'm going to make my own Redneck AC and see if they work. And you know, Redneck ACs make cute DIY videos, so why not? I could make one in 5 minutes and see how it stacks up to these right here. See if I wasted my money, and if all I needed was a, I don't know, $8 cooler and a $15 fan. I'm going to use this as the outlet. This is like a piece of intake from a Spectre at AutoZone. I don't know why I have this. Probably when I was rigging up my own fender well intake for my car, but yeah, some spare part here. Perfect outlet right there. Alright, let's go ahead and build this thing. Oh, actually, let's try this out real quick. Because regardless if I keep this or not, I am keeping this. It's always cool to have some extra fans. So, you know, let's unbox this real quick. So this runs on battery and power plugs. So let's see, it's the right size for this. Yep, perfect. Perfect! Okay, let's plug this thing in, make sure it works. Hold on 1 second here. Grab the power cord here. Yeah, this brand, I notice everyone has it. Okay. Almost done. Let's see, plug it in here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Where do I plug it? Where does it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. So, plugs into the side here, or you could run it on B batteries, which is a cool feature. So you're not tapping into your solar or whatever power source you're running in your van. Okay. Turn this on to the highest setting. There you go. There's my O2 Cool fan. Could never have enough fans. Alright, let's go ahead and build this thing right now. Okay, so here's the template right here for the outlet, air outlet, right there. And I put these two little lines here. I'm going to just hollow this out, and the fan will simply lay on top of here. Simple. So all I need is this razor blade. Don't hurt yourself when doing this. I'm not responsible for you cutting your finger off. Okay, let's do it up. Okay, all set. This took me less than 5 minutes. Here's the O2 fan on top of the cooler. Here's the outlet. Suffered a minor injury. You know, styrofoam is very fragile, but I taped it up. So let's go ahead and turn this on. There's nothing in here right now, but we'll see. See how much air gets through. Okay. Yeah, you can feel some air coming out. So the point of this is to pack this with ice, and then the fan will blow into the ice and come out through here. So that's tomorrow's video. Actually, I have some ice. Let's do a quick test right now. Okay, here's some random frozen stuff I leave in the freezer. I tend to save it for this unit right here, put it in the cooler. So today I put in my do-it-yourself AC. So a couple frozen blocks there. Here's my little laser temperature reader. There you go. 16 degrees for this block of ice right here. Okay, inside the van it is 87 right now, not too hot. The door's open here. So there's my fan right there, normal fan. Let's get a reading. 90 degrees, 90. So like any fan, it's just recirculating the hot air, 90.5 degrees. Alright, now let's try out this do-it-yourself AC. It makes a cute little video. I'm going to turn the fan on all the way. Right there, max setting. Rest it on top. Okay. Come on. Okay. So the air comes out, about this far. It's alright. Tomorrow I'm going to do a test. This versus this versus this. I gotta grab like 3 bags of ice. This is an impromptu test. Feeling the air, it comes out about this far. Now let's see the temperature. Where are you at? Alright. I don't want to cheat and hit the ice block because that would be I would get the reading on the ice itself. Oh, you know what? Let me do this. I'm going to use this right here so I could get 2 readings. So, hold on one second. I'm going to tape this onto this right here. Okay, temperature probe is taped onto the outlet. I gave it about 10 minutes. Output temperature is 70.9 degrees. It comes out about this far, about 6 inches, so the velocity is pretty weak. Fan's on the highest setting. Let's go ahead and use this laser here so I could get 2 readings from this thing. Okay, here we go. So according to this, I'm at 71.9, 72, 71, 71.9, 71.3, so temperatures are pretty close. So 71 for this Redneck AC DIY and electric fan. 92 degrees, 92, 91. So it's outputting about what the temperature is in the van. That's what fans do. They just recirculate whatever the air is inside wherever they are. Van, house, whatever. So 92, 71.6. So this thing's definitely working. The velocity is just kind of weak, so you could take a nap right next to this thing. So tomorrow's video, DIY AC, $8 cooler, $15 fan. I'm going to buy 3 bags of ice. One for the K2, one for this, and one for the Mighty Cool MK4. Did I need to buy these units? Or should I have saved my money and just did this? That's tomorrow's video. Comparison test. I'm going to compare velocity to output temperatures, because I like staying cool in my vehicle. Like I said, I think this is one of my best investments. It makes hanging out in a van doable. It makes it comfortable. Alright everyone, kick ass, be safe, and take it easy.